Hello everybody, welcome to our online lesson. Today we will have a writing lesson and we will learn how to write a formal letter. What's a formal letter? A formal letter is a letter written in formal language for official purpose. A formal letter is usually written to people we don't know. We write a formal letter to make a complaint, make a request, apply for a job, or reply to a formal letter we have received. A formal letter, students, is not personal, and we need to give information in the shortest and clearest way possible. Now, let's look at the structure of a formal letter. In formal letters, we should have three parts. The first part is beginning. We call it introduction. The second part is middle. We call it main body. The third part is ending. We call it conclusion. Now, students, let's look at the layout of the formal letter. As you see, we have example formal letter. This example letter shows you a general format for a formal letter. Let's pass the mouse over the different areas of it to find out more information. Your address should be written in the top right-hand corner of the letter. The address of the person to whom you are writing should be written on the left, starting below your address. Now, students, let's look at the date. As you see, in our example letter, the date was written under your address. Different people put the date on different sides of the page. You can write this on the right or on the left on the line after the address you are writing to. But, students, remember that when we write a formal letter, we write the name of the month as a word. As you see in our example letter, the name of the month, April, was written as a word. Now, students, look at the greeting. With greeting part, we start our letter. If you don't know the name of the person you are writing to, use the following form: Dear Sir or Madam. If you know the name of the person, use the title or the family name only. For example, Dear Mr. Davis. Now, let's start the main text of our letter. Students, as you remember, we call this part, the first paragraph, introduction. Students, the first paragraph, introduction, should be short and state the purpose of the letter. The paragraph or paragraphs in the middle should contain the relevant information behind the writing of the letter. The last paragraph, conclusion, should state what action you expect the recipient to take, maybe to refund you, maybe to send you information. Now, let's look at this part. Students, as you see, this is formal ending, or in other words, we call it signing off. If you don't know the name of the person, end the letter this way: yours faithfully. If you see the name of the person, end the letter this way: Yours sincerely. Here, students, we write our name. As you see, writer's name. Students, remember that when we write our name, write your given name first and family name last. That's all about formal letter. I hope that our formal letter will be helpful for you when you write your formal letter. See you. Bye.